Well, another cool day here in West Michigan, but we did break the 40-degree mark finally after a chilly weekend. It's continuing to be dry. It won't be the case later on this week. 13 weather ball, though, is coming up in a moment. But first, we'd like to show you what happened earlier this afternoon. Bill, over at Muskegon Lake, a lot of stacked ice over there. A lot of that melting, though, as skies cleared along the lake shore this afternoon. And the 13 weather ball is brightly shining there in the fading daylight here this evening. It's green, no change to the 40-plus temperatures foreseen, and this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Good evening to get Hummer and Harley out there, Tyler. It'll be warm or mild, I should say, here in the next couple of hours with mainly clear skies, and even in the morning won't be bad. Going to give you the green paw for all of those time periods. Well, today is the last day of meteorological winter, and we have averaged a little bit cooler than average with more precipitation, but more of that has been in form of rain than snow, about 5 inches below average for the season of winter, and a little bit more sunshine than usual. So there's your winter stats. Tomorrow, a little bit less sunshine than today, where the solar energy farms are located. 5.2 out of a 10-point scale. A little bit more wind here tomorrow. 5.5 out of a 10-point scale, 1.6 equivalent homes powered by the wind alone. Well, the skies have cleared here this evening, but we got some more high clouds coming in from the west later on tonight, but no precipitation with those. But we'll start the day with some cloud cover, and then the sun will come out a lot earlier tomorrow. And north of this front is where a few light snow flurries have been falling today, and that's where temperatures have been in the 20s and 30s. South of this front, we're in the 40s and even in some cases 50s. We're going to see those skies remain clear for a while this evening, and then the clouds are going to roll in after midnight, but just even more quickly than the clouds cleared today. They'll be out of here by noon tomorrow, and lots of sunshine expected to wrap up. Another wave of some clouds coming in then for Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, and this time around a little bit of light precipitation. Most of this will be in the form of some light snow, maybe a few raindrops from Grand Rapids off to the south. This won't put down very much in terms of snowfall. This is in terms of rain through Wednesday evening, about 5/100ths of an inch here in the greater Grand Rapids area. And the snowfall will generally be about a ½ an inch or less, and a lot of that will be melting. Most of the snow will be along and north of US 10 or even Route 20. Long range outlook says we're going to cool off a little bit for that second week of March. Higher chances that we'll see cooler than average temperatures, which at that time are in the low and mid 40s. Still a little bit higher chance for more precipitation during that 7-day period. Tonight, those skies are already clear. It'll become mostly cloudy late tonight. Temperatures falling to around 30 north and low 30s south. Up north, you'll drop into the mid and upper 20s to near 30, with clear skies with mostly cloudy conditions towards daybreak, and similar here in the greater Grand Rapids area, overnight lows falling to around freezing. 13 on your side forecast. That mixture of snow and a few raindrops on Wednesday won't last very long, won't accumulate very much. Dry on Thursday and Friday. A little bit of light rain and snow Friday night. The bulk of the next weather system that will have any impacts will be a warming trend on Saturday and Sunday, with some rain Saturday night, transitioning to some snow Sunday night into the following Monday. So maybe we've turned a corner on literally spring and winter.
Yes, and that March forecast looks like March.
It certainly does. Coming in like a lamb, though.
Thank you, George.